Here's how to make a moving dot on your video. This is useful to illustrate your course or intended route of travel on a map. It's very easy to do. First, make all speed adjustments on your video. Then, select the point in the timeline where the dot will start. Go to the Titles and Generators pull-down and select Basic Title. Drag Basic Title above the timeline. Go to the Text Inspector and change the text to a period. Change the font if you want. Here I changed it to a font that will display a round period. You can also change the size of the dot using scale. Next, drag the period to the starting point. Go to the Video Inspector and click on the transform icon. Set a position keyframe. Next, move the playhead to a point in the timeline where the dot will end up. In this example, I am using a time duration of about 4 seconds from the starting point to the destination point. Now drag the period to the destination point. You are now done, and when you play back the video, the dot should move in a straight line from the starting point to the destination point. In this example, I want the period to take a curved path so it more closely follows the contour of the shoreline. This can be done by moving the adjusters on the screen. You can also vary the speed of movement using these. When the dashes are longer, the period will move faster. When they are shorter, it will move slower. If you want the speed to be consistent, make adjustments so that all the dash lines are about the same length. Here's another example. This time I will use straight line segments for the dot to follow instead of a curved path. So move the playhead to the start point, drag Basic Title above the timeline to the starting point, change the text, drag the text to the starting point, go to Transform, set the keyframe, move the playhead forward in the timeline, move the text item to the next point, move the playhead forward, and so on. If you keep the time of each segment consistent with the length, the speed of movement will be consistent too.